Hello guys, I'm going to teach you how to use Carding app to sell your gift card. Do you understand right now? But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification, and also make sure you share this video for more people to see. And like this video as well. Now let's go to Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, go to your Apple Store and download Carding. You can see the second one. Carding sell gift card. You can see I have this app on my phone already, and I'm gonna open it right now. Do you understand right now? I'm going to open it and show you the necessary things, and it's gonna look like this. Click on this three line at the top right left, at the top left of your phone, and it's going to look like this. You can see down at the bottom of your phone, you see not yet registered. You can see sign up, and click on that sign up. Do you understand right now? When you click on sign up, the first thing you are going to do is to put your phone number. And if you don't want to use your phone number, if it is Gmail you want to use, you click on Gmail like this. You understand? But I'm going to use phone number as an example. Let's go to phone number 7019737324. Do you understand right now? And you can see verification code. Leave it first and jump to password. uh Write your password like this. Let's say I want to use Godwin as an example. Make sure you start with capital letter and also add number at the front, any number you want, and add something like this at the back, or something like this, or something like this. You understand? Repeat it here. You understand right now? Repeat it like this. And the next thing is your invitation code. Why the invitation code is important is that they want to know how you get to know about this application. Who told you about it? And that is why I'm telling you this application. This is what you are going to do. CE 7474 FB3 FB3. And after you put this code, this is what you are going to do. And you at the front of that verification code, you can see send. When you tap on that send, immediately they are going to send code to your phone number to confirm if this phone number is yours. And you are going to take that code and write it here. Do you understand? And if it is Gmail that you put there, they are going to send that code to your Gmail. Take that code and put it there, and it will start counting down. Immediately click on sign up and you have successfully registered. You understand right now? I'm not going to register again because I have my own account before. I'm just going to log into my own account and show you the necessary things to do, guys. So let me log into my own account right now. Let me log in, back. Let me log in, let me put in the password. Let me log in. Guys, I've logged in right now, and immediately you register, they are going to give you a bonus of 3,000 naira, but you cannot withdraw it until you trade your first gift card on Carding app. Do you understand right now? Now, this is what we are going to do. You are going to click on sell if you want to sell your gift card, and after we sell our gift card, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Do you understand right now? So you can see category. Select the categories of gift card you want to sell. Do you understand right now? Any kind of gift card you want to sell, select it. Let's use eBay as an example. I'm going to choose eBay, and the next thing is the balance of my gift card. Let me show you one thing. If it is gift card that's available in all different countries, it's going to give you this option to select the country of that card. Do you understand? Like Apple now, like Apple for example. Let's use Apple for example. For you can see Apple. It gives us option to select the country of this Apple card. Do you understand? If it is UK card, Canada, Australian, you select the country, Japan, or let's use US as an example right now. And the balance of your gift card, let's use $100 as an example. If your gift card is $20, $10, $5, you write the amount here. Do you understand right now? And the type. The reason why it's showing you the type is that Apple have 4 types of cards, and you're going to select it and select the one that you want to sell, the one you have. Do you understand right now? You click on it. Let me use whiteboard as an example. That is common Apple card. And the next thing we are going to do is write our code the code of our gift card. You write it here, and then after you write it, you click on sell, and you are done. You just wait for a few seconds and you are done. Your money will be available on your balance. And if you have the image of your gift card on your phone, you just have to click on upload picture. Do you understand? Upload from gallery, and you select the picture of your gift card. Let's say this is the picture of my gift card. I'm just going to add it and I'll click on sell. And if, let's say, your gift card is two, it is $50, $50 each, or $100 each. Just tap on the next box and upload the second card. Even if it is third card, upload everything and write the total amount here, then click on sell. Immediately it's going to be successful, and your balance will be available here. Do you understand right now? Now let's say you want to withdraw your money to your bank account. You click on this three line at the top left, you click on it, and it's going to show you something like this. Click on wallet. Do you understand? And you can see add bank card. Click on add bank card, and select the bank you are using. You understand? Select the bank you are using and write the name on your accounts, which means your name. And the next thing is to write your account number. And the last one, write your your carding app password. I mean the password of this application. Write it here. And after you have done that, click on submit, and your bank details will be added successfully. After that, go back and click on withdraw. You can see my OP is already added here. Do you understand right now? And you click on withdraw. After you click on withdraw, you write the amount you want to withdraw out of your money. And if you want to withdraw everything, you write it and you click on confirm to withdraw. But let me tell you, you can only withdraw uh, uh, 8,000 up. You cannot withdraw from 8,000 down. Do you understand right now? So this is how to use carding app to sell your gift card successfully. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe right now, turn on your notification, and make sure you share this video for more people to see. One love, guys.